This is the Pittman Outdoors truck bed tent, easily one of the fastest truck bed tents to set up as it's got a one-click easy up hub, and it comes in 2 different sizes to fit virtually any truck bed. With one click, most of the structure of the tent goes into place. That one-click hub is just as fast when it's time to stow it away. Whether you start by setting up the tent on the ground in some grass or in your truck bed, the main thing is you want to make sure that the legs and the walls of the truck come over the side of your truck bed. Next, simply match the color-coordinated poles with their matching sleeves. You'll see the color at the entrance of the sleeve. A little tip for getting the black pole that goes along the inside of the roof: start it sideways and then swing it up into place. Secure it into place with its Velcro tabs. Position the tent as needed in your truck bed and start with the straps very loosely on your vehicle. No matter what, the last thing you do is cinch these straps down. You want to keep everything loose while you're working so that you can move the tent and it can flex where it needs. Additionally, with the truck tailgate, you want to make sure that the red pole is on the outside of your truck bed wires. It'll allow for better fit and more security if the wind picks up. And you can utilize those tailgate pockets, keeping the entryway in place. Lastly, gently strap down the tent to your vehicle with those covered straps protecting your paint. It's these little extra details that makes the Pittman Outdoors difference, and after all, they've got over 20 years experience in this business. Pittman Outdoors truck bed tent has over 70 inches of spacious height. For reference, I'm 5'10" and standing straight up in this tent. Throw in a Pittman Outdoors original AirBedz mattress designed specifically to inflate over the truck wheel wells, and you're set. The tent houses 4 screen windows that can be used with the rainfly for ventilation, yet seal up against wind and rain. The tent itself is wind and water resistant, but if weather picks up, simply clip on the rainfly. There is a zipper that goes towards the cab should you need easy truck cab access. And Pittman Outdoors also includes guidelines and stakes to keep your home away from home secure. The Pittman Outdoors truck bed tent with one-click easy up hub can be found in 2 different sizes to fit virtually any truck bed. More products and information can be found at Pittman Outdoors.